difficulty. Suppose a person is suffering from blood pressure, high blood pressure, and you give the message blood pressure to come down, blood pressure to come down, blood pressure to come down. Then it may be reported that he has got low blood pressure. Or if the person is suffering from fever, 102 degrees, and you give the message temperature to go down, temperature to go down, temperature may go down, it may be 96. Another difficulty. So, message should be very clear. Temperature should come down to normal, 98.2. Blood pressure to come down to normal. If it is low, blood pressure to go up to the normal, 120, 80. And like that, the message should be always very, very clear to the healing forces. Now, how to pray? Request the divine powers, O divine power, you are a great flame which gives life and light to all. You are absolute and give health, strength, energy and vigor to everyone. I am but a spark of thy great self. I humbly request you that you make my body an instrument for channelizing your great powers to this body of the patient. You may give the name also, so that your infinite powers, after flowing through my body, enter the body of this patient or this brother or sister or the name and reach the places wherever required, so that this patient, after getting the benefit of your life-giving powers, become free from diseases and become totally healthy, strong, energetic and vigorous. Oh Mother, please use my body for every good cause and flow your full powers through my body. Please accept my humble request and successfully complete the good work of healing which I have undertaken. After the prayers are over, the healer should pay full attention, one-pointedly, to the following process. And there are sentences to be uttered by you. Now, one-pointed is totally required. You should be one with the healing powers and not think of anything else. Secondly, it happens to the patients also. When they are being healed, they go on thinking of something here and there. And they don't pay attention to the healing. In such cases, the healing powers don't work perfectly well. Some lacuna is there. Something is missing. If both are one-pointed and fully aware of what they are doing and fully covered with what they are doing, then the results will be very fast. But what happens, the patient will say, I am getting so many ideas. He is not experienced. He doesn't know how to concentrate. He doesn't know how to meditate. He doesn't know how to be one-pointed. Though everybody knows how to be one-pointed. Because when you go to see a movie or visualize a channel on the TV, are you not one-pointed? Your total attention is there on the TV. You are not thinking of anything else absolutely. And you are one with the TV and the program. Here also you should be one with the healing program. After that, the healer should utter following sentences mentally and one-pointedly. The condition of the patient's body is improving and is becoming healthy. The mind and body of the patient are becoming positively one with each other. The patient is becoming fully relaxed, peaceful, happy and joyful. All the cells of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized and perform their work effectively and perfectly. The nerve cells of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and therefore they are working normally. The cells of the arteries of the patient and the veins of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The bone cells of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The skin cells of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The muscle cells of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The blood cells of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the brain of the patient, which is very important, are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the lungs of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the heart of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the liver of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the stomach of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the intestines of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the spleen of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the kidneys of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the system of nerves of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the blood circulating system of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the digestive system of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. Cells of the respiratory system of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. The cells of the excretory system of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. All the cells of the thyroid gland of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. All the cells of the pituitary gland of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. All the cells of the pineal glands of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. All the cells of the psychic gland of the body of the patient are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. Now here we are giving the message they function normally. We are giving a message for conversion of the disease into diseaseless condition. Afterwards the same sentences are to be uttered again in a different way. Condition of the patient's body has improved and has become completely healthy. The mind of the patient has become one-pointed, positive, and is very active. The patient has become totally relaxed, peaceful, happy, and gay. All the cells of the body of the patient have become fully healthy, vitalized, and perform their work perfectly well. And like that, all the sentences are to be repeated. The first we have taken mind, thoughts, etc. in general. Then we have taken the cells of the body for different organs, and then different systems, and then different glands. You may also add whatever is necessary depending on the type of patient that you have. Now, after uttering these sentences, you have to pay particular attention to the disease from which the patient is suffering. Because every patient is required to be treated for the disease he is suffering. And there is a particular healing to be done perfectly for each patient separately, because other things are common, while the performance for a particular disease for a particular patient will differ from patient to patient. Now suppose a patient is suffering from lungs trouble, asthma. What will you do? First head, then come to lungs, treat the lungs on both the sides, back side and front side, and there you have to say lungs are becoming healthy, vitalized, and function normally. And that to be repeated about 20 times, 25 times. Then you may go for, suppose he is having coughing, then go for the throat. He may be having constipation. He may be having sleepless nights, then treat the brain again for insomnia. Or he may be having any other trouble also because of asthma. Maybe some tooth trouble also. Some people are having that trouble also because of asthma. Now, having treated the patient that way for each disease separately and properly, the whole phenomena will come to an end. Now, when you say about the lungs of the patient are healthy, vitalized and function normally. Respiratory system, because respiratory system is affected in asthma. So, respiratory system of the patient is healthy, vitalized and is functioning normally. Patient digestive system is now producing only enough cough and not in excess. Patient digestive system produces strong and healthy blood cells from the food consumed. The patient's excretion system is vitalized, strong, healthy and functions normally, and it removes waste material from the body fully and regularly. Now, after the healing is over, you will find sometimes the patient or the healer or both find something like warmth flowing from their body, maybe from the healer's body, maybe from the patient's body. Sometimes the place where the healer has placed his hands, heat is felt by the patient. If this is there, don't remove the hands. Keep them continuously there till the warmness or heat is felt. Sometimes there are tiny sparks just like the one produced by a low voltage battery. That may be sometimes only, not always. Sometimes there is a feeling of trembling. Sometimes there are vibrations of waves or vibrations in the body like trembling, maybe with the healer or maybe with the patient or maybe with both. Rarely there is a feeling of cold or trembling on account of cold. And after the healing is over, tell the patient some good sentences that he should not worry, he should not think of the disease, he should think that he is being cured and he will be completely all right. He should be advised to think positively about himself. If he is not positive, then the result will not come very fast. Negative thinking is always leading you to negative happenings in life. So negative thoughts are always to be avoided and to be tumbled down. But patient when he is suffering, he cannot help having bad ideas. Sometimes they suffer so badly that they can't think of anything else. But that will be your duty to impress upon him that he will be completely all right and will take some time. And one sentence is very important. To become sick may hardly take 1 minute. And to cure the disease may take a day or a week or a month or more. Sickness many times comes by accident. You are healthy and fine just now. When you reach home, you are carrying some virus and you start suffering from cold. Or you start suffering from headache, or maybe some uneasiness. Secondly, principle is there. Vibrations are created by each human being everywhere. Your thoughts are always affected by the thoughts of others. Maybe he has not talked to you, but even then the effect is there. You may start from your home for donating some money to some